Hey everyone, it's Lucy from KBeautyHobbit.com. Today I have an unboxing for you of the Facetory subscription box. I'll put a link in the description box. I used to get these quite a bit. They used to only do masks, and they had a 7-box and a 4-box of sheet masks, and they were really nice, but they've expanded into some other things now. So let's see what's in here. I just got it last week, but we were out of town, so I didn't get a chance to open it, and I have no idea what's in here. So this is all a surprise for me. Thank you, Facetory. Love you too. So since I've had their subscription, I see that they have quite a few of their own brand products now, and this is one of them. These look like little pimple patches. I like the video game theme though. That makes my inner nerd really happy. I will put descriptions, or not descriptions, but I'll put reviews of all of this on my blog, KBeautyHobbit.com, as I use it more. I'm guessing all of this is probably going to be new to me. Okay, these are these are AM and PM patches. That's really cool. I wonder what's the difference. These are probably thinner, I'm guessing, and less visible. Facetory Dream Garden Elderflower. No harsh chemicals. If you've seen my bogus skincare terms video, you'll know how I feel about claims like that. It feels nice and heavy, so there's probably a lot of serum in this. Yeah, 1.2 fluid ounces. That's basically a whole bottle of serum. Dream Garden Chamomile Calming and Hydrating Mask. Also feels nice and heavy, even more serum in this one. I used to sheet mask every day, but I've moved more to wash-off masks for more regular skincare, but I still really like a good sheet mask, especially if my skin's feeling dry, or maybe I'm stressed and not sleeping well. Oh, I've had this one, the Ace That Face Collagen Mask. This is actually pretty good, if I remember right. It's been a while since I've had it, so it'll be interesting to try that again. Facetory Let's Talk Vitality Firming Mask with Pomegranate. Cool. I love the little designs on these. This looks so fun. I know skincare doesn't have to be packaged pretty to be effective. It doesn't even have to look that good or smell good. But for me, skincare is more than just a utilitarian exercise. It's actually part of my relaxation and how I unwind at the end of the day. So packaging and those kinds of things actually are important to me. I mean, I wouldn't discount a product just for ugly packaging, but when it's pretty, it helps. Let's Talk Detox Purifying Pore Mask with charcoal and volcanic ash. That'll be good for summer. I have combination skin, so I do have some normal skin functions like sebaceous filaments that can look darker, and sometimes are mistaken for blackheads. So these kinds of things usually help. Facetory, oh my goodness, Rejuvenating Snail Mask. Look at that snail. Wow, this is like really robust. Wait, oh duh. Okay, because I have 2 in here. Okay, I've had this one before, the Sun-Based Soothing Mask, and it is good, especially if you've been outside. I wouldn't recommend using stuff like that on an actual sunburn, but if you've just been outside, and yeah, it even says don't use on sunburned skin, but if you've just been outside and got warm, but your skin isn't actually damaged, this is kind of a nice soothing mask, especially if you keep it in the fridge. I had this one before as well, and I was a little bit worried of using it because it has these brightening ingredients like lemon, and sometimes for my skin that can be a little bit irritating, but I did not have that experience here, so it was actually good. I'm excited to get another one of these. Haven't had this one before. Moisturizing Cream Mask. I might use that one first, actually. Look how pretty that is. Again, pretty packaging, just gets me excited. Here's another one of those Be Bright ones. Glow Baby Glow. Ooh, soothing ampule, and then a mask. So this is a fancier 2-step I like those. I used to be excited about all kinds of sheet masks, but now I'm more picky and I don't know, more spoiled, I guess. And I really like the interesting ones like this. Here's another one. Soothe Me Tea Tree. Upgraded formula. Cool. So it looks like mostly these are all Facetory's own brand, which makes sense that they focus on that. But they also sell other brands on their website. And I've just in January, I've hit up a major sale of theirs and bought a bunch of stuff that was not a Facetory brand. See this one, Artemisia. I think that's another word for mugwort, which is like the new Centella. I swear it's really popular now. Oh, it's my bananas. Oh, and it's fragrance free. That's cool. I'm not anti-fragrance, but I like when brands make fragrance-free products for people with really sensitive or irritated skin. I've had quite a few of these everyday masks. I think I've had this exact everyday acai one. I haven't had the charcoal one. I've had the jasmine one. And they're good. They're not necessarily super special, but they're good masks. And I feel like they're on the more affordable side, although don't quote me on that, I don't remember now. Wow, that's a lot of sheet masks. Everyday Pearl. And Everyday Rice Bran. Olive Squalane. Almond. I've had the almond one before and I liked it. Everyday Lemon. That one makes me nervous again because of the lemon. And we're at the end of the box. I do not think this is how the regular subscription boxes are. I do feel like you get a selection of a few masks, and then I think some of their boxes have more than just masks. They also sometimes will do like a body box with body care that's available for limited edition or on a quarterly basis. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description box and you can check out their website. I looked back on the Facetory website and they do have two different box types. One has 5 to 6 skincare products plus 5 to 6 sheet masks, and another box is just the sheet masks, which is the one that I used to get. In addition to boxes, they also sell different products just by themselves that you can order. And if you're within the United States, I believe there's a threshold for free shipping, and I think their boxes ship for free. This is not a sponsored video, but I did get the box as PR, and I do think that they just basically sent me their favorites because I'm a blogger. I don't think this is how their typical subscription boxes are, but I'll definitely put all the information in the description box. I just didn't want to peek ahead of time because I wanted this to be an actual unboxing and not something I've opened before. Hopefully you liked it. Let me know if you tried any of these masks, and if you did, what you thought about them, or which one you want me to review first. I'm happy to oblige to the best of my ability. Thanks for watching. You can find me on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, my blog, KBeautyHobbit.com, and in my Facebook group, Korean Beauty Fanatics. We just hit 56,000. Actually, we're at 56.5 now. We'd love to have you there. Lots of really good people with lots of advice and their own experiences. It's just a wonderful place for skincare talk. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, please remember to always listen to your skin. Thank you for watching. Bye.